What up, folks? Yep, still same time, same place, everything like that. Got one from Leon. Gonna pick this one. It is pinned by. Pull that out before I turn it. This one's pinned by Dark Arts Lockpicking. Do not turn left. So I will make sure I do not do that. It's got no clicks or anything like that in it. So, there's the bidding on the key, and it is a it's one that won't focus. There it is. Lockwood key. So this will be interesting to get into. I doubt that any of the original Lockwood pins are left in it, but you never know. Alright, so what we've got in here. And making sure not to turn it left. You guys laugh, but if I don't say it, I will forget. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning right now. Alright. That's number 3, got a good click out of. Number 2. Oh wow. That sent me into a deep false set. There's gotta be a good deep spool in there somewhere. Yep, there it is. No? Not a deep spool, but slight counter and a click. Let's see. I'm not feeling anything. So, I'm gonna risk it and go with number 5. Why? Because if it was my lock, that's where I would hide one. So, you gotta click out of number 5, but I lost all of my false set. Nope. Alright. Number 6. That false set, man, I'll tell you what, that's something else. There it is, and we're open. And looks like I didn't zoom you all in. Yeah, I did not. That would be my fault, folks. I can't blame it on you. Alright, let's make this easy. It would be easy if I knew where I lost my screwdriver. Well, let's use this one. my good one has let me misplace it. So let's pop this thing open and see what we got in here and see why it says do not turn left. Because that has me curious.